Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil, and today I will show you one more video related to the conversion of text file into Excel with the proper format by using a Copilot. Will take a help, and this is the data that we want to convert it in a proper Excel format, so that let's say serial number should be in a proper one column, question should be in a proper one column, and all these four options should be in a proper different columns, and the answer should be in a different columns. Okay, so you got my idea, right? And I want all this in a proper Excel format. So what if you have 200 or 300 or 1000 questions? Okay, so it will not be you cannot do a manual task, right? So for that, what we'll do is we'll take a help of a Copilot. So for the Copilot, I have copied some of the .txt file data. So to understand if it is giving me a proper result or not, so I will give you a proper prompt for that. Okay, so yeah, okay, so I'm just writing this simple query. uh, like I have data in .txt format and I want to convert it into Excel, but it should be configured like serial number in one column, questions in a separate column, and all four options in a separate columns, and answer in a separate columns. Okay, and I just pasted that some 4 to 5 questions. Now I will click on OK or the go button right in the below, and let's see if it is properly converted or not. It started. Sometimes it will take time to properly understand the requirement, but yeah, it will give a result. We will download this quiz converted .xlsx, and let's see, if we try to open, then it should be in a proper one that we discussed, right? So yeah, that first 3 questions we have received in a proper format, questions in a separate options, all the 4 options in a separate columns, and answer in a separate column. That is exactly we want. So what we'll do is now we will ask him to convert our .txt file, so that all 120 questions will be converted, right? All 120 questions will be converted. So I am selecting the file, and I ask him to convert it, and yeah, it will take some time, but it will convert it. I will download this in my desktop, and let's try to open it, and let's see how it give a result, right? So this is the file, and yeah, as expected, this is giving a proper in Excel format. Why we converted this? Because if you try to upload in a .txt file, will now support in a SharePoint list, and your if data is not in a proper table format, then it will not upload. So that's why we did this conversion by using a Copilot. If you are new to the Copilot, then use these simple techniques for your day-to-day life, and then your life will be good. Okay, because you can do multiple things from using a Copilot. You don't have to do it manually. Now our task is to open our demo site and upload that file. But before that, I have opened my Wonder, because I don't have Excel license, so I cannot make any changes in Excel. So what I will do is I will first remove these 2 files, unnecessary files, and then I will try to upload my latest download Excel file. Okay, so okay, now I have it will take a second, because file was very low. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll convert this in a text file, in a table format. So once it is converted, then we'll try to upload it in a SharePoint list. So now within a second it's directly converted, because we just have to insert a table just only. Yeah, so now our data is properly in a format. Now what we'll do is we'll open our SharePoint, and we'll try to because we want to create a new list with this particular data. Okay, so if I click on a new, click on the list. Now I don't want to create it from a scratch, so what I will do is I will use import from Excel. Okay, upload from my desktop. Okay, so because we created table, so it directly fetched the table, and all these columns are currently in a single line text. But if you want, you can make the changes, like serial number I have made it number, and right, and all these options are single line text right now. Okay, and just I have to click on next. that's it. And if you want to rename your SharePoint list, then you can do it, but it's okay. I will click on a create, and it will take some seconds, hardly 10 seconds to create our list, because data is near about 120. Okay, so that's why it will take less time. So yeah, our data is now created, and if you see, it's in a proper format. So yeah, it has all 120 question. So initially our data is in like it's in a messy format. Okay, I can say it's in a .txt file with without any columns and all this thing. So what we did is, we did first, if I open this txt file, it's in a this format, right, .txt format now, and currently our data is in properly in a column wise format. So first we did a conversion using a Copilot, and then we upload it. This is the simple steps. I hope you understand this video and the purpose. Okay, if you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.